Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Roblox connection error. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Play Store and search for the Roblox, and you need to update your Roblox. So once you done that, you simply need to go back and open settings of your smartphone. Here you need to go into the app management and go into the app list and search for the Roblox. Okay, click on that, and then you need to click on storage and cache. The first step, you need to clear cache, and after that you need to clear storage, and after that you need to go back and open Roblox. So it will take few seconds to update. So now you can see that it is finished. Wait for few seconds, and now you simply need to click on play, and after that you simply need to log in into your Roblox account, and hopefully your issue will be resolved. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.